Good morning, students. So today we study that is the nature of light. Okay, nature of light. So here that is the light which can be obtained from the sun. It is the main important source of the light, and this light which can be comes from the sun, which are fall on the earth, and this light, it is the form of energy is there. It travel as a stream of particles, tiny particles, and it is called as the photon. You studied in the physics. Okay, and these photons which can be contained, there is the more light is there, quantum of light is there. The light which can be comes at a different wavelength, having different colors are there. So here that is the light comes from the sun. It looks like the white portion, but in that white there are the different lights which are present. That is red color spectrum, orange, blue, green, indigo, all the spectrum which are present in the such a solar light is there. So here that is the visible light. Visible light means the human which can be see the light wavelengths ranging from 390 nanometer to 730 nanometer. That is the electromagnetic radiations which can be seen with the range of 390 nanometer up to the 730 nanometer, and this part of the spectrum of the light is called as visible spectrum. याचा अर्थ असा होतो की सूर्यप्रकाश जो आपल्याकडे येतो त्याच्या आपण किती रेंजमध्ये तरंग लांबी बघू शकतो, त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, व्हिजिबल स्पेक्ट्रम. So here that is the in that the electromagnetic radiations of the light. Look here, that is the diagram of electromagnetic radiations of the light. So here that is the 400 nanometer, 500, 600, 700, आणि याच्या अगोदर 300 up to the 730 nanometer we can see that is this spectrum. याला visible spectrum म्हणू शकतो आपण. Okay, and in that visible spectrum that is the we can see the light easily. After that, that is the absorption and the action spectrum. These are the two terms which are here, absorption and action spectrum. So here that is the in that absorption spectrum. So here there are the different pigments which are present in the chloroplast of the leaves. These pigments like chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotenoids, xanthophylls are there. They absorb the sun rays at different wavelength and transfer the light to the chlorophyll A. Okay, according to that there are the how many amount of the light which can be absorbed. It is called as absorption spectrum. Mostly that is the here we get the curve which shows amount of light which can be absorbed at each wavelength. प्रत्येक तरंग लांबीला किती लाईट ॲब्सॉर्ब केली जाते, इट इज कॉल्ड एज ॲब्सॉर्प्शन स्पेक्ट्रम इज देअर. And to that of the second one, action spectrum. So here that is the action spectrum means that is the rate of the photosynthesis at the different wavelength. It is called as action spectrum. म्हणजे वेगवेगळ्या तरंग लांबीला प्रकाश संश्लेषण कसं घडून येतं, इट इज कॉल्ड एज द ॲक्शन स्पेक्ट्रम इज देअर. सो लुक हियर द डायग्राम ऑफ द ॲब्सॉर्प्शन स्पेक्ट्रम. सो हियर that is the wavelength which can be drawn on, that is the x-axis, and absorption of the light which can be drawn on y-axis are there. That is 400 to 700. This is the visible light portion is there, and the chlorophyll A which can be absorbed this light wavelength, chlorophyll B, carotenoids, xanthophyll. Okay, and we get the curve which can be there, that is crest and trough, and it is called as the absorption spectrum is there. Means how many light which can be absorbed at different wavelength. वेगवेगळ्या तरंग लांबीला किती प्रकाश absorb केला जातो, it is called as the absorption spectrum is there. Whereas to that of the action spectrum. Action spectrum means look here in that diagram. So here that is the wavelength of light in nanometer draw on the x-axis and light absorb on the y-axis. So here that is the rate of photosynthesis which can be shown as a blue line, and absorption which can be shown as a red line. So the red line shows that how many light which can be absorbed at different wavelength, and whereas of the blue light which can be said that the rate of photosynthesis at the respective wavelength is there. So rate of the photosynthesis which can be, that is the show here, it is called as the action spectrum. After that, mechanism of the photosynthesis, म्हणजे प्रकाश संश्लेषणाची यंत्रणा कशी घडून येते हे आपण बघणार आहोत. So here there are the different scientists like Van Neel, Rubin, next one Hill. So these different scientists which can be explain the mechanism of the photosynthesis. So here first one in 1931, Van Neel was the scientist who comes and proved that in that experiment he used bacteria, and bacteria used hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide to synthesize carbohydrate. Means look like blue green algae, Neelharita shaival. So photosynthesis takes place in such a bacteria, chlorella. Okay, now Van Neel which can be carried out experiment on the such a bacteria, and he showed that the bacteria which can be used hydrogen sulfide and to that of the carbon dioxide to synthesize the carbohydrates are there. This Van Neel postulates in the green plants. After that he carried out the hypothesis on green plant, and he showed that water is utilized in place of H2S. म्हणजे वनस्पतींमध्ये हायड्रोजन सल्फाईडच्या ऐवजी पाणी वापरलं जातं, अँड O2 इज इव्हॉल्व इन द प्लेस ऑफ सल्फर. सल्फरच्या ऐवजी ऑक्सिजन इव्हॉल्व केला जातो कशामध्ये, दॅट इज इन केस ऑफ द प्लॅन्ट्समध्ये. जर आपण ही रिॲक्शन एक आहे ती रिॲक्शन जर बघितली, दॅट इज द in case of the bacteria, that is how the photosynthesis takes place, bacteria. So here look this reaction, 6CO2 plus 12 H2S means hydrogen sulfide. Bacteria use hydrogen sulfide to form carbohydrates, say 6H12O6 plus 6H2 means water and plus sulfur which can be evolved in case of the bacterial photosynthesis. But in case of the, that is the plants, here that is the in the plants water which can be utilized. He said that is the water is utilized in place of the hydrogen sulfide is there. After that is the Rubin. Rubin was the scientist. He confirmed that is the chlorella. He confirmed that it is the chlorella. He used water labeled with heavy, that is the oxygen, H218O2, that is heavy oxygen, H218O2. Okay. So look here, that is the in-depth mechanism of photosynthesis. Chlorophyll, it is the predominant pigment which is found in the chloroplast. When light rays which can be fall on the chlorophyll which is that is having normal state, that is electrons having the negative charge. This is the normal state of the chlorophyll. When that is the this photon which can be absorbed by the chlorophyll A, this chlorophyll A which is become excited state, and the electrons which can be that is the transfer to the next orbit. ही कक्ष तयार होतो त्या क्लोरोफिल भोवती, आणि पहिल्या कक्षेतून तो इलेक्ट्रॉन वरच्या कक्षेमध्ये उडी मारतो. नेक्स्ट वन दॅट इज द आफ्टर दॅट वेन दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन विच कॅन बी ट्रान्सफर्ड ॲट आउटसाइड, इट इज कॉल्ड एज आयोनायझेशन ऑफ द क्लोरोफिल ए. त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, आयोनायझेशन मीन्स त्यांनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बाहेर टाकले. सो हियर दॅट इज द ऑक्सिजन इव्हॉल्व कंटेन 18O2. okay, oxygen so evolve to contain the 18O2. okay, so here prove that is the oxygen evolve in the photosynthesis which can be comes from water, that is 6CO2 carbon dioxide plus 12H2 18O light rays, C6H12O6 carbohydrate plus 6H2 water is formed, and plus that is the oxygen is revolved. So here that is this is the general equation of photosynthesis. After that in 1937, so here Hill was the scientist comes and he proved that in the photosynthesis the O2 which can be evolved from the water, released from the water, and electrons for the reduction of the CO2 are obtained from water. म्हणजे हिलने काय सांगून दिलं की ज्या फोटोसिंथेसिसमध्ये जो ऑक्सिजन तयार होतो तो वॉटरपासून तयार होतो, आणि जे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लागतात रिडक्शन ऑफ द CO2 कार्बन डायऑक्साईडचं क्षपण करण्यासाठी ते सुद्धा पाण्यामधूनच घेतले जातात. आफ्टर दॅट आर्नॉन वॉज द सायंटिस्ट अँड आर्नॉन सेड दॅट, सो हियर दॅट इज द लाईट एनर्जी इज कन्वर्टेड टू केमिकल एनर्जी. ओके, chemical energy and which can be stored in the form of ATP and nicotine adenine dehydrogenase phosphate is formed as hydrogen donor, and this that is the ATP formation, it is called as photophosphorylation. Photo means light, phospho means phosphate, and rylation means storage. So here that is the such a energy stored in the form of adenosine triphosphate. After that modern concept of photosynthesis, अत्याधुनिक सिद्धांत काय सांगतो. So photosynthesis, it is the light and dark reaction, Lachman reaction. It is the alternate series of the oxidation and reduction reaction. You know that oxidation means utilization of the oxygen and reduction means utilization of the hydrogen ions are there, in which that is the water is oxidized and carbon dioxide is reduced. ह्याच्यामध्ये पाण्याचं ऑक्सिडीकरण होतं आणि कार्बन डायऑक्साईडचं क्षपण होतं. दिस टू रिॲक्शन्स, that is light reaction, it is called as Hill reaction, and this light reaction requires the light, whereas Blackman reaction or the dark reaction which does not require the light, and in that the former reaction it is called as photochemical reaction. म्हणजे जे सुरुवातीची अभिक्रिया घडून येते त्याला आपण फोटोकेमिकल असं म्हणतो. The latter reaction it is called as biochemical reaction is there. So it is the modern concept of the photosynthesis is there.